My secret to success is tenacity. You have to be motivated to want to be a game changer, to want to change the world, really. I'm changing the world. The impact of my knowledge and experience and compassion for humanity, it makes for a good recipe for success, not just monetary success, but we are talking about humanitarian success where you really help others to live longer, to live happier, to live healthier lives, to be able to walk again, to be able to breathe again. So it's very rewarding when you choose something that you're passionate about and something that can really, really change the world and help others. And you have to be determined to keep on going. Despite any obstacles that come in your way, you just have to keep going.